my darlings, good morning and welcome back to another vlog. I'm in such a good mood today, in such a lovely and happy and light mood. I hope you guys are also feeling well and in such a good mood as I am. So guys, I got a package from my sister in Japan and I'm so excited. I could not even wait. I'm going to show you guys what is inside of it. I'm so excited. What do you want to do? What are you going to make yourself? A poet chai. Open my box now. Do you want to see what's in my box?
I think I can see it on YouTube then, right?
Focus. Yes. Oh, this looks good. Power chai, guys. Courtesy of my husband. Nobody's allowed to eat or drink certain things on this couch. And here I am, and I'm almost about to just laugh and it just spray all over the place. Am I taking too long? I'm coming. It's good. Thank you. So my sister went through the trouble and made this. Oh, so cute. With even a smiley face. This is so pretty. So the first thing is choco pie. Oh, nice. I want one of that right now. Oh, and this. What is this? Oh, these are Kitkat. These are Japanese Kitkats. I never see these particular flavor Kitkats here in Germany. Never. But I think this is specifically for Japan. So when I got 2 packs of those, I think these are 2 different flavors though. Oh, the light is so, the sun is coming out a lot today. I need to go outside anyway. This is a sweet potato Kit Kat. Didn't even know that they had these types of Kit Kat. And this one is salt lychee. I think these are some kind of crackers, but they're these tiny snacks. I'm gonna try this right now. It's good. She also got me a pack of cereal. Oh my gosh, guys, this cereal is so delicious. If you're a cereal lover, you would love this cereal. It's just so tasty with granola. I don't know if it's just raisins or cranberries. It has lots of fruitiness too, but it's just like really tasty. And guys, we bought 1 pack of these curries when we were in Japan last year. Tried it out and it was so good. We actually regretted that we didn't buy more packs of it, so we told Max that we love this curry. It's really tasty and she needs to get us some. And she got us like 4 packs of curry, so I have this curry for a long time. It's really tasty. And of course, green tea. So I'm very picky when it comes on to drinking green tea, and I tried a few of them when we were in Japan, but this green tea was actually really good. Some of the other ones that I tried, they had kind of a fishy type of taste. I don't like those, but this one was really good. One of the Kitkat. Which one is this? This is the salt lychee Kitkat. The coating of this tastes a little bit like a type of sweetie at first when you taste the outside part of it. Going inside now, it tastes a cookie flavor. Not cookie, but more like a kind of biscuit. It tastes really good. Because this is the other flavor, and I think you guys will probably want to know what it tastes like. It says sweet potato. The covering tastes sweet, but the inside have a cake taste. If you come from Jamaica, you know sugar and spice cake. Kind of like sugar and spice type of cake. It tastes really good. I love sugar and spice cake, by the way. Hey, morning girl. Oh, it's night for you. Hello there. I got your package and I just opened it. Yes. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
need to go eat some breakfast now so I don't eat sweet the entire day. Hey guys, so I'm just checking back in with you after a long day. I did get some studying done. Still not fully back into it yet, but I'm getting there. We're making Mexican food this evening, so he's making some tacos. And then I'm gonna go in and start cutting up some vegetables and stuff to put on it. Hello my darlings, good morning. I was about to do some folding of the clothes. I actually started folding them. I have an entire pile behind me of clothes that I need to go through. I've been doing a lot of laundry and have not taken the time to sit down and really fold away some clothes. So now they're piling up on me. I have another load in the washer right now, so I need to get these out of the way before I take those out. But I decided I'm not going to finish them right now. I'm going to wait until later on this evening, which is when I normally fold clothes in the nighttime, because in the daytime I try to do stuff that I cannot do in the nighttime. So I have to do some gardening today. I have a full day ahead of me actually. Yeah, but if you guys saw my last vlog, you realize by now that I'm making this a weekly thing where I do vlog uploads on a weekly basis. So you guys will be getting one vlog per week and one hair tutorial. So if you guys are interested in seeing just vlogs, you can check my channel on a Monday, and if you're interested in seeing hair tutorials, you can check on a Thursday. Let me show you guys quickly some stuff that I bought over the weekend when we were in the city on Saturday. So we got these glass straws. They're actually really cool to use. Right now in Germany they're using paper straws, and my husband hates them, and I'm not a fan, but I understand that they need to do it for the environment. So we decided to just get some glass straws, and this pack comes with 4, and you also get a cleaner for them. We'll be putting about 2 of them in the car. I also bought this vase, and I'm going to show you guys where I'm going to put it. I just wanted something white that was like a ceramic material for my decor, so I decided to just get a white vase, just a plain white vase, and I got this for what, €9.90. Also got this candle holder. It's really massive and it's extremely heavy. I don't really want this for a candle holder either. I just wanted something kind of crystal looking, also for my decor, just a crystal looking block. And yeah, I picked up this one, and this one was for $14.95. I also got a pack of this for the pans. We usually just put paper towels between the pans so that they don't get scratches on the inside. We normally put down a paper towel like this, and then we just put in the other pan like this. So now we saw these the other day at Hotno and decided to get them. Yeah, decided to get these so that now we can put the pans in each other and they look a lot neater, and they're also protected. So this is where I want to put this vase, and then I'm gonna put this black right here beside it. At first I had 2 black candles right there, but I think I'm liking this little bit of a pop that this bar gives it. Of course I'm not going to be putting flowers into that vase. I think it looks a lot better now with a little pop of white in between the green plant and this black candle. Oh guys, I love this candle. This is a rituals candle that I bought a few months ago. I have not yet burned it, but once you take this thing off and you walk into the living room, you just smell it. It's like radiating throughout the entire living area. So this one is the black oud. It's more like a relaxing spa type of candle. It smells really good. I'm a candle addict, to be honest, so I'm always having candles all over the house, but this one I think is definitely a favorite for me. And I got this glass cover with this gold thing that it's on. I got that at H&M Home. This is the black candle that I had there before I bought this. This is a puro candle. I got it mainly because it is in this black jar and I wanted a black candle there. It also smells really good. It's a lot sweeter, but it smells really good as well. So right now, just put it right here. So I mostly buy Yankee Candles. Those smell so good. I will show you guys which types I normally buy. Okay guys, so I'm back now and I just finished up learning some German, and I was able to also do some reading for the book club that I'm in. So now it's afternoon. I'm going to do some garden work way later than I had planned. So yeah, I'm gonna start now, but I want to show you guys the other the Yankee candles I was telling you guys about. Okay, so this is one of my favorite Yankee candles, and this one is Exotic Bergamot. Smells really nice. I burn this one quite frequently, but the next one I'm going to show you is my absolute favorite. I have this one in the bedroom. Even my husband loves it. It smells really good. And this one is called Evening Star. It's my absolute favorite Yankee candle scent. You guys can see it's almost finished. I need to get me some more. So I prefer these types of warmer scents than more floral scents. Guys, I'm dressed and ready to go into the garden now. So I just have on a pair of jeans and this black top. I'm gonna put on my boot now and go get to business. Hey guys, how are you doing? I feel like this vlog is somewhat all over the place. I did not take up the camera for like all of 2 days, but yeah. Anyways, I did not even remember to show you guys the finished result of the garden. I'm going to show you guys what I did and how it looks. I just got ready because I'm having my book club meeting in a few hours, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys that. And the weather today is so beautiful, guys. There's some work going on at the neighbors, so it's a bit noisy.
Recognize the importance of like the terminology and understanding that not everything you love. I love this chapter. I like it. Spoke first of Paul, how Paul was forsaken. It's a funny thing how sometimes we say we love, and the minute we're offended, is that we don't love.
Hey guys, so I'm just checking back in with you all one last time. So as you guys can see, it's now night. I'm going to go and watch some TV with my husband. We're going to be watching some Bob Burgers. We've been binge watching that for the past few weeks. Like, he loves watching that, so I just joined him in watching it, and it's a pretty funny cartoon type show. And I just want to tell you guys thank you for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a bit lengthier than I intended, but yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.